I am Dr. Lauren Burrell, the founder and CEO of Delighted Coaching Incorporated, where we focus on business planning to protect your value. I am also the author of the series Success by Design, your comprehensive planning guide for all types of enterprises, and its companion workbook. We found that this book is really good for your nonprofit founders, your entrepreneurs, and your business owners to really learn the core components of a solid business plan, different areas of business acumen, such as financial projections, how to read a profit and loss statement, as well as the necessary components to start, manage, and scale your organization. This writing process is now in a book format so that you can DIY it. And we are also really excited to launch what we're doing is our group workshops. These group workshops are going to be via Zoom, so you do not even have to leave the comfort of your own office or home or even your car. And what we're going to do in these workshops is we're going to dial into one of the core components that are written in the book, and we're going to help you to not only collaborate with other entrepreneurs in that same room, but you're going to be able to take that information and implement it into your business real time. You're going to have some very awesome coaching moments and some conversations and strategies that will be included in that process as well. If you're interested in learning more, check us out online, grab your copies today, or you can also schedule a complimentary consultation where we give you some great tips and strategies that you can use right now to take your business to the next level. Take a moment to check us out at delightedcoaching.com or follow us and subscribe to any of our social media handles. We're happy to help you, and we're looking forward to this journey of success with you. Thanks so much for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.